how to fix FC26 crashing on a PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different steps that hopefully fix an issue where you're playing FC26 and it's crashing, or it's not even launching, or it crashes while it's launching. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing I recommend doing is just quickly rebooting your computer. Usually this will fix many issues. Once you've restarted your computer, open up the EA app on your computer, and then all we want to do is select FC26 and then go to Manage and select Repair. So this will do a quick repair of the game files on your computer, and hopefully it fixes FC26 crashing. Another thing it can do is it can prompt it to actually update the game if there's an update available, which can cause crashing if the game didn't update for some reason and you were trying to play it. So just give it some time to repair. Once it's fully repaired and it says repair complete, go over and try to play the game, see if you have any issues with it crashing. If you still have issues with it crashing, what I recommend doing is making sure that there aren't any other apps open on your computer. If you have a browser open with a lot of tabs, close that, or maybe other things that could be using up memory or processing power on your computer, go ahead and close those apps. If after that you're still having FC26 crash on your PC, or when you go to manage, you don't have the option to repair, we can manually delete the cache for the game, which is just temporary files, by going down, selecting the Windows Start button, typing run. Under best match, select run, and then under open right here, we want to type %, app data, %, no spaces at all, select OK. This will open up the file explorer on our computer. From there, select EA, right click it, and then delete it. You don't have to worry about deleting it. It's only temporary cache, so it'll remake it the next time we open up the game. So once you've deleted it, go ahead and open up FC26, and hopefully you've fixed all the issues that were causing the game to crash. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.